ZANU-PF has secured a contested victory in the Gutu East constituency by-election held on June 14, with its candidate Zvarewashe Masvingise declared the new member of parliament, despite widespread reports of voter intimidation and alleged vote buying. Sanapena mashoko ari kubuda panguva ino tinoona kuti aiwa ZANU inohwina pamaguti East by-election aiwa amid intimidation of voters pamwechete nevote buying ribos subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipinda muno mubuda pamchinzi Masvingise emerged with a commanding lead, polling 9.321 votes, while independent candidate Gift Gonese trailed behind with 2.269 votes. Zivanai Njenga of the NCA managed only 173 votes, placing a distant third. Official announcement was made on Saturday evening by Zimbabwe Electoral Commission's constituency officer Ernest Mukwidzwa, who read the formal declaration at the district collection center. However, the results has been overshadowed by mounting allegations from civil society organizations and local observers who claim the electoral process was made by irregularities of voters in several wards reportedly faced intimidation, while reports also surfaced of groceries and cash handouts being distributed by ZANU-PF activists in the days leading up to the poll. An observer affiliated with a local watchdog group speaking on condition of anonymity said, "What we witnessed was not a free and fair election. People were threatened with the food aid withdrawal if they did not vote for ZANU-PF, and some villagers said they received maize and cooking oil in exchange of their vote." These people, they were intimidated vaiuya panapa vachiitwa vote buying vachiita kuti vachinzi kana mukasangovhotera ZANU chete aiwa food yeaid yese yatakakupai tukati chidhimanda back. Tiudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinda kubesection medu muudze mafungiro enyu, subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.